Right, so since I've made these blue trolleys, they haven't really had a standard location, they've just really been put anywhere. So now I've got a big space next to my press brake, so I'm going to make some standard locations. Here's the after, some nice clear standard locations for my trolleys, and labelled. Thank you.
So I'm going to do a huge improvement by putting the acrylic above the laser, and that involves making the acrylic laser taller to sit above the legs on the rack. So stage one improvement was to make some brackets to raise up the laser, so that's done.
So I was working on a project involving a KVM switcher, so that just allowed me to use my laptop and my PC with the same set of keyboard, mice and monitors. We did try it out, bought a switcher, but it wasn't very good, so this project's on hold. But rather than just leaving the cable sat around, I want to give them all a nice home, so I've boxed them up in here and labelled it up. So in the title for all of our products, we include this bit here at the end, which is the production journey. So that one there in the middle is laser to folding to powder coating to pre-packing. Now we want to make it more obvious which powder coating booth it needs to be going in, because we've got 1 and 2. 1 does mostly brackets and 2 does coloured stuff. So we want to make it more specific on this production journey, which powder coating booth it should go to. So I worked with Alex, and we've got a list of which products go in which ovens. So I've now gone through and added PC1 or PC2 to all under relevant things. So now hopefully it should improve the flow of where products go.
I've just created a new macro for response when I'm having to open a case with a courier. This will just save me more than 2 seconds every time I use it.
So it's been a bit awkward using the reeler tape to box up packages. I don't particularly want to walk all the way to the promoter area or the brackets area to print it out with the proper machine. So I've just got a tape gun, got a proper place for it, labelled it up. Thank you.
Okay, so on our Ringola desk, the saw wasn't labelled up, so we're now labelled that up, giving it a standard location.
I think for health and safety, I'm going to weave it by pushing this in so no one doesn't get hurt. I now fix up properly by pushing it in. All good. Thank you.
Standard location for spray booth instructions.
Putting it under the laser beds takes way longer than I would like for it to. So been looking for a way to speed up the process. So I ran the experiment and put one of the plastic sheets underneath the bed. At the end of the day, pulled it out, and as you can see, everything is on the sheet and the floor is squeaky clean. It will save me a lot of time in the morning. I won't need to sweep under the bed. I can just drag the sheet out and tip it into the skip.
My cardboard racking labels were getting a bit beaten up, so I asked Jake to make me some new ones with laminate all the way around the edge, so hopefully they shouldn't peel now.
So I'm at the robot cell, and at this tube cutting station, when the tube cutter comes down like that, I kept having an error. The software would crash and the robot would stop. And I've done the 5 wires, and I worked out, I think it was because the shock going through this into the control box. So all I done, I put some rubber feet under it, which we had. It took me 5 minutes to do, and now it's running perfectly without stopping.
It's a great job everyone. Thank you very much.